What's up, YouTube? Here's another one. This is a Singer 6.2 amp. It's another older sweeper. This is the SST. It's not a lot to say about it, but I'm gonna go ahead and run it for you. Just in case you've never used one of these, the kickstand is located right here to put it in vacuum mode, which actually turns the vacuum on and off. So when you push the release button, it automatically just come on for you. I like those type of vacuums, but at the same time, I don't like how touchy the power switch is. Like if you like just come up a little bit too hot, it'll like cut itself off. Like watch. It's still a good vacuum though. So yeah, there you go, Singer.